when you get to the stage where you're about happy with the work you've done on one particular level, you've put in all the window panels, everything, and you're happy to start duplicating levels, I'll just show you. There's a lot of different ways to do it. This is one way that might make your life a little bit easier later on. If, like me, you've been drawing your walls and columns all up to level 1, so as you can see they're all up to level 1, which is at 3 meters. Instead of just duplicating the floor and then having to go around and join all the structural elements to the floor, because otherwise they'll protrude through and you'll see them in the plan. So instead of having to do that, you can just drop your level here down to the underside of the concrete slab. So we have set that at 2725. So that's the bottom of the slab, and the top of the slab being at 3 meters. So doing this will then now drop all of your structural elements that were attached to level 1 down, and then I'm going to rename this, I don't know, underside slab. I'm going to rename my level 2 level 1 and drop it to 3 meters. Okay, now that looks a little bit messy, and you can delete that. You don't need it, the plan view, but it'll mean everything's now dropped down. Your curtain panels, depending on how you set them up, I've got mine at an offset, so I can now remove that offset. Put in 0, and they can vote that as well. Now the only thing you need to remember is that if you've got any stairs, I have one here, just to change that to level 1, which is your new level 1, which is still 3 meters. It just means that everything you've drawn, all the structure, will drop down for you. So once you got that done, the best way to go about copying your levels, and if you go to a 3D view, usually works best, just delete that. So I select everything on my model. Obviously it's only going to be 3D elements, no 2D stuff. Oh, sorry, first you need to create levels. So let's go into our south elevation again and create some levels. So 3 meters, level 2. And as you'll see, the levels will continue going up in their numerical order. Once the last one is named level 1, the next one will be level 2, etc. LL is the shortcut for the level if you're trying to learn shortcuts. Okay, let's just do that for now. So if we go back to our 3D view, we select everything in the view, and we copy the clipboard. As that element is now copied, we can now paste that and assign it to selected levels. So we'll assign it to, do multiple levels if you want. We'll just do it to one level to be faster, so level 3, okay, and then it's going to now copy that level up to, takes a little while, but this isn't the kind of thing you need to start doing until you're really happy with everything on your level, everything on the one level you've done, because as you duplicate all the levels, your model gets a lot slower and it's not going to be very workable. So it's just better to leave it till last, because it's as easy as that to do. If you have multiple levels, then it doesn't matter if there's 12 levels here, you can just click them all at once and press OK, and it'll just load them up on all the levels. So I'll do that. Okay, so I think that's everything to do with that.